பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் பாடிடுவோம் ஆடிடுவோம் தந்தனே தந்தனே பாரம்பரிய திருவிழாவை கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் தந்தனே 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 தந்தனே.
3000 years ago, the Tamil poet Kaniyan Poongundranar wrote in the Purananuru, Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir, meaning every country is my country and everyone is my kin. Today, as we begin this program, I can think of no words which capture more aptly the high ideals and worldwide acceptability of our Tamil Parambaryam. Traditions are passed on from one generation to another, from mothers and fathers to sons and daughters. Even as we modernize ourselves to keep up with the new world, we still hold on to the moral values and celebrate festivals according to the customs of the past. We continue to follow and hold in high regard the practices of our ancestors. We PSBBians have been taught from a very young age about the importance of staying true to our roots. Events such as the Parambarya Tiruvizha and Parambarya Vilayattugal have played a large role in educating us of the traditions of the past. Together, let's be transported to the vibrant world of culture, customs and traditions. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha and welcome to Day 4 of Padma Seshadri Balabhavan's Parambarya Tiruvizha, an ode to the age-old traditions of our land. It is said that any work that begins without invoking the name of God is imperfect. In every faith, it is customary to seek the blessings of God before a new beginning. Today, we shall begin this program in signature PSBB style with an invocation to the Almighty. Kavadi Chindu is a form of Tamil folk song known for its simplicity and emotional appeal steeped in bhakti, usually in praise of Lord Muruga. Let's now listen to Raghavendra rendering Parani Shanmuga Velunda, composed by Arunagirinathar.
Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Namakennam Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Namakennam Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Namakennam Parani Shanmuga Velunda. Surasamhara Velan, Surasamhara Velan, Jnana Pandita Shilan, Surasamhara Velan, Jnana Pandita Shilan, Gunduvi Kondaru Vandan Vanava Sangakalamum Vandane Sevirum So Naimalayil Vasanam, So Naimalayil Vasanam, Kundra Thoradum Sodai Malayil Vasanam, Kundra Thoradum Sodai Malayil Vasanam, Kundra Thoradum Sondargarudum Nesanam. Bhagyamita Vetande, Bhagyamita Vetande, Paragatiyai Kodukkum Bhattara Sittara Nittam Vaithunai Tattvaadita Muktiyai Vendidum Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Namakennam Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Namakennam Parani Shanmuga Velunda, Velunda, Velunda.
முத்தை தருபத்தை
Shubha.
I am VJ Dani Karthikeyan.
And I am VJ Harita to take you through the day 4 கொண்டாட்டம் of PSBB's பாரம்பரிய திருவிழா. பிரேயர் சாங் எஃபெக்ட்ல பாடெல்லாம் பலமா பாடிட்டே வந்தியாகும். ஆமா, ஆரம்பத்திலே காவடி எடுத்தாச்சு. நம்ம ப்ரோக்ராம்ல what is next?
அதுவா, our next segment is Shakti Karagam.
சக்தி கரகமா? என்ன?
Well, Karagam is a colorful and exotic religious and ritualistic dance form enacted in rural regions of Tamil Nadu to praise various deities. கிராமப்புறத்துல தலையில கரகப்பானையை வச்சு டான்ஸ் ஆடுவாங்களே, பார்த்திருக்கியா?
ஓ, பேலன்சிங் தி பாட் டான்ஸா?
ஆமா, அதான். Notice the way the pot is being balanced and the synchronization of body movements involved in this dance.
தேவி உன் கோயில் வாசல் தேடியே ஓடி வந்தே மாரி மகமாயித்தாயே மங்களம் தா. ஜெகமாடும் கனி மகமாயி திரிசூலி உமையவ
Do you think Pongal festival is celebrated only in Tamil Nadu? No way. Even the state of Virginia in the US has recognized the Tamil festival and has passed resolution designating January 14th as Pongal Day.
ஓ அப்படியா? Then what about our own neighbors? நம்மளுடைய கேரளம், நம்ம கன்னடா and మన తెలుగు?
Here we go. Sankranti Sambaranu, a peep into the harvest celebrations of our neighboring states.
Up next is Sankranti Sambaranu, a skit portraying the customs involved in the harvest celebrations of our neighboring states, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala.
Shri Gurbhyo Namaha. It is the time of the year to rejoice the creation of crops. Two sisters living abroad do not connect well with the celebration of harvest. They call up their cousins in India, and what awaits them next is a roller coaster ride to the harvest festival. Let us join them in their virtual harvest trip.
I want to do something interesting, Ma.
I know what can be done. Let me ring up your cousins in India.
Yes, Ma. I would love to have a video call with them. Hi. Hey, Frosti seem to be getting prepared for some celebration.
Yes, Anjana, it is Makara Sankranti, the harvest festival.
Harvest? Is that something to celebrate? Yes, we celebrate Makara Sankranti for 3 days.
The first day is the Bhogi Panduga, on which we have the traditional Bhogi Mantalu, a bonfire lit with wood and old things.
Oh, bonfire! I have seen it on Halloween nights here.
In addition to this, Bhogi Pallu, a special mixture of berries, pieces of sugarcane and coins are showered on children on this day for good health and prosperity.
On the second day, the Sankranti day, we decorate our houses with beautiful rangolis and gobillu.
గొబ్బి ఎళ్ళో కొండాలయ్యకు గొబ్బి.
Gobillu? What is gobillu?
Gopilus are small cow dung balls decorated with flowers.
Oh, cow dung.
Netra, cow dung has medicinal properties too and keeps germs away. A special snack called Shankaranti Yellu is made with jaggery and sesame seeds. My amma asked me to say Yellu Bella Tindu Olle Matadi.
And the third day, called Kanuma, is dedicated to our cattle. What? You worship animals? I know the story of why we worship cattle. Lord Shiva once instructed his devotee, Nandi the bull, to spread a message that people should eat once a week and have oil bath every day. But Nandi, in his excitement, flipped the message and conveyed it as have food every day and oil bath once a week.
Oh!
From then on, Lord Shiva instructed Nandi to help the farmers cultivate the land to produce more food. Oh, so that's why you worship cattle? Yes, and talking of a festival, how can we forget the yummy food? Risalu, a sweet made with harvested rice and jaggery. Hey Dhruvan and Akshara, you do not seem prepared for any celebration. We do celebrate harvest, but not now. During the months of August and September, it's a 10-day long celebration. The 10-day period is laced with many festivities such as Valamkali, Pulikali, Kumatikali, Pookalam, and of course, the Onam Sadhya, a grand feast. How am I participating in this festival?
Hope we join them next year.
Yes, Ma. Bye, all. Bye.
Happy Sankranti to all.
Okay, now answer me. If God is love and love is blind, is God blind?
How knowledgeable you are. This is how a group of people are going about misinterpreting our powerful parables. Siddhar Padalgal are stacked with allegories and syllogisms. Their Padalgal deliver a broader message about real world issues and occurrences. For instance, this Nandavanathil or Andi by Kaduveri Siddhar exhorts us to maintain our good health by following healthy food habits and lifestyle. The need of the hour, I should say.
Oh, I was under the impression that it was something about pottery. I really want to listen to that song.
How lucky you are today. That song is next in line this evening.
நந்தவனத்திலோராண்டி அவன் 4 மாதமாய் புயலணி வேண்டி குஞ்சில் வந்தான் ஒரு தோண்டி அதை கூத்தாடி கூத்தாடி போட்டுடை தாடி குஞ்சில் வந்தான் ஒரு தோண்டி அதை கூத்தாடி கூத்தாடி போட்டுடை தாண்டி நல்ல வழி தன்னை நாடு உங்க நாடும் பராமனை நத்தியை தேடு நல்ல வழி தன்னை நாடு உங்க நாடும் பராமனை நத்தியை தேடு வல்லவர் கூட்டத்தில் கூடு அந்த வள்ளலை நெஞ்சினில் வாழ்த்திக் கொண்டாடு அந்த வள்ளலை நெஞ்சினில் வாழ்த்திக் கொண்டாடு நந்தவனத்தில் ஓராண்டி சரி கரி மாம கமகரி சரித நந்தவனத்தில் ஓராண்டி கமகரி சரித நந்தவனத்தில் ஓராண்டி ரிசாரி சனி சரி சாரி சனி சரி சா ரிசகரி சனி ரிசாரி சனி சரி சா ரிசனி சரி சா ரிசகரி சா சரி காரி சாகரி சனி சரி காரி சாகரி சா சரி காரி சாகரி சனி சரி காரி சாகரி சா சரி காரி சாகரி சனி சரி காரி சாகரி சா ரிசனி சரி சனி சரி 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 சா பமபத 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 ரிசனி சரி 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 சா சரி 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 சா பமபத பமபத பா சரி 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 சா சரி சரி சா பமபத பா சரி சா சரி சரி சா பமபத பா சரி சா சரி சரி சா பமபத பா சரி சா நந்தவனத்தில் ஓராண்டி சா சரி கரி மாம கமகரி சரி க சரி மாம கமகரி சா சா கமகரி சா சா கமகரி சா 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 சா.
Ama, talking about Pongal, how did we miss out on columns?
Again, this girl scores. Wonder what she's up to. Some mind reading? I was about to open the topic. Of course not. What I know about kolam is they are traditionally drawn at the threshold of a house and are considered as offerings for the ants and other insects.
Oh, but that's not all. It is Margery Max, unraveling the secrets behind one of South India's oldest traditions. We explore the relations between columns and mathematics, from rotational symmetry to Euler graphics, from the intricate geometry of columns to combinatorics. The connections are infinite. In this video, we connect the dots between these seemingly unrelated concepts.
Okay, ma'am.
What are you doing so early in the morning?
Happy Pongal to you too.
Columns? Isn't that mom's cup of tea?
Yeah, but I wanted to help her this year.
This is gonna end up looking like the disfigured roti you made last week. You'll need a compass to make it right.
Enough. I've been practicing columns all week. Anyway, why are you up so early in the morning?
Oh, mom made me get up for Pongal.
Okay, now that you're up, you can at least try to help me make this column. They're actually pretty interesting,
Really? Tell me more about this column you're making.
Okay, fine. You initially start off with a grid of dots or a lattice which forms the base of the column. Have you noticed that these lattices are always either square or hexagonal?
They are?
Yeah, they are. This is because you need to have a regular polygon that tessellates, and you don't have many options there. You can either choose a square, an equilateral triangle, or a regular hexagon, which is basically just 6 equilateral triangles put together.
Why just 3 polygons?
Oh, that's a fun problem for you to try out. I'm going to go ahead with the square lattice for this one.
You sound like a YouTuber.
Oh, please. Anyway, I'm not done with tessellation yet. Have you noticed that if you take a shape and you rotate it by a certain angle, you're left with the same shape that you had initially?
That's called rotational symmetry, isn't it?
Oh, so you do know something after all. So a square has a rotational symmetry of order 4. This means that if you take a square and you rotate it by 90 degrees, you're left with the same square that you had initially.
Wow, columns are really interesting. Can you teach me after breakfast?
Yeah, I will, but I have to ask you something first.
What?
Does this mean you'll help out mom more often?
I'll definitely try.
There are various ways of making columns, most based on an idea of symmetry. Take this 5x5 lattice. We can construct a column using rotational symmetry from this lattice. Take the following shape on it and consider the rotations of this shape. These 90-degree rotations form a cyclic group of order 4. Now, taking the union of all these configurations, we end up with this shape that has order 4 rotational symmetry. It remains the same when rotated 90 degrees. Adding embellishments in the boundary, we get this column. Another way we might go about making columns is via a method of recursion. Take this simple shape on the top. Now make 4 copies of it and merge them at the center. Now with the new shape, take 4 copies of that and merge them at the center, and do this process iteratively. We end up with this beautiful self-similar fractal, which is a column known as the anklets of Krishna. Columns are intricately related with a branch of mathematics known as graph theory. This is a really neat display of the 4-color theorem via a rangoli. The 4-color theorem states that for any division of the plane into continuous regions, I can always color my regions such that neighboring regions have different colors. The 4 colors used here are magenta, yellow, blue and green, and we can see that no 2 regions of the same color are neighboring. Another way columns and graph theory are related is via Euler graphs. Euler graphs are graphs with paths such that I can traverse through all the edges exactly once. Here I can go from 0 to 6 to 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 0, and here we have traversed through all the edges. Combi columns drawn as a single curve are excellent examples of Euler graphs. The vertices of the graph are the places where the column intersects inside our figure. Now, most of us have seen columns drawn on such lattices with an ascending then descending sequence of odd number of dots or pulleys. Now, this isn't a hexagonal lattice and it isn't squared either. Or is it? A close observation will show us that this is just the union of 2 squares. The blue dots form a 4x4 square while the red dots form a 3x3 square. To give a final mind-blowing idea about the number of columns possible, take this lattice. With just 7 pulleys in the center, the number of columns possible is over 68 billion. And instead, if there were 19 pulleys in the center, the number of columns possible is much more than the number of particles in the universe.
Mathematics behind columns is vast, never-ending, and just as beautiful as columns themselves. Making columns is a golden tradition that is centuries old and followed to this day. It is therefore no doubt that it is a pride to India.
சூப்பர், ஓடி விளையாடு பாப்பா, நீ ஓய்ந்திருக்கலாகாது பாப்பா.
ஆமா ஆமா, மேத்ஸ் பிலாசபின்னு ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயத்தை பத்திலாம் பேசிட்டோம். அடுத்தது கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா ஜாலியா நம்ம ட்ரெடிஷனல் வீர விளையாட்டை பத்தி பேசணும்னு சொல்றேன். பேசிடுவோம்.
தேங்க்யூமா. கில்லி, கோலி, கபடின்னு அவுட்டோர் கேம்ஸ், பரமபதம், பாண்டி, பல்லாங்குழின்னு இன்டோர் கேம்ஸ். அப்பா என்ன ஒரு ஈகோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி விளையாட்டுகள்ல. They actually help us to sharpen our observation skills, develop logical thinking, besides enhancing strategizing and concentration.
ஆக்சுவலா இந்த பேண்டமிக் டைம்ஸ்ல இந்த பாரம்பரிய கேம்ஸ்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ரிவைவ் ஆயிருக்குன்னு தான் சொல்லணும். அது எப்படின்னு இப்ப பாத்துடலாமா?
Our ancestors led a healthy life by playing traditional games of the soil like kabaddi, goli, gilli, pandi, and indoor games like Paramapadam and Pallanguri. These environment-friendly activities sharpen our observational and math skills, develop logical thinking, besides enhancing strategizing, concentration, basic mathematics, and a lot more. The pandemic has helped us to revisit these native games and realize their importance.
What is that you're reading so seriously? Shh! This is interesting. This is a notice about a street play. I just love to watch them. They are down to earth and also without embellishments. The mass appeal of this art form lies in the fact that they can be witnessed absolutely free of cost and at the comfort of our surroundings.
Thank you, stars friend. You're lucky again. Let's revisit, relive and revive this Pongal festival through the street play that depicts the innate gratitude of human beings.
பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல். Some things never changeன்னு நம்ம எல்லாரும் கேட்டிருப்போம். But is it the same when it comes to celebrating festival nowadays? Here we are to give you all a taste of the tradition emotion, spirit, and the evolution of Pongal, our பாரம்பரியம்.
பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் எல்லா வருஷமும் இதை தான் சொல்றீங்க.
Are you aware of அதோட கலாச்சாரம் and விஞ்ஞானம்?
கலாச்சாரம் விஞ்ஞானம் ஏதோ டூத் பேஸ்ட் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் மாதிரியே பேசுற.
ஹலோ, பழையன கழிதலும் புதியன புகுதலும் is the essence of bogi.
இது பாயிண்ட்.
Discard things that are redundant and be done away with all the negativity in your life.
Sadly, our bogi is all about burning the plastics, rubber tires and other toxic e-wastes. Now makkale, don't think that we have lost this festival also to modernity. We can still bring back the glory and true spirit of bogi.
Let's change this Perukku Pongal attitude to passing the tradition to posterity attitude.
Rice and lentils make a nice treat. Long sugar canes, juicy and sweet. Colorful rangolis fill our streets, heralding the onset of harvest.
Celebrating Thai Pongal dates back to the Puranas.
Lori, Baisakhi, Basant Panchami and Maha Sankranti fills the life of farmers with abundant joy and prosperity.
Let's wrap it out. Health ay,
Wealth ay,
Peace ay,
progress ay,
prosperity ay, friendship ay,
equality ay,
Koduthu, greed ay,
disputes ay,
poverty ay,
intolerance ay.
enmity ay.
what a funnum Thai Pongal ay.
Let's celebrate with the same fervor for years to come.
காங்கேயம், புலிக்குளம், ஆலம்பாடி, அம்பலச்சேரி இது எல்லாமே என்னன்னு யோசிங்க மக்களே. For milk, leather, dung and yield, these are a few indigenous desi breeds of cows that were sent onto lease.
But the irony is that the Jersey breed of the colonial British has inhabited our land now, and at this crucial juncture emerges our own Jallikattu.
முல்லையில பிறந்தது ஜல்லிக்கட்டு, கிட்டத்தட்ட 400 years ஆச்சு. இது தமிழ்நாட்டின் வீர விளையாட்டு.
சூப்பர்ப்பா.
If you are brave enough, என் காளையோட வந்து மோதிப்பாரு.
தமிழனின் முக்கிய பண்டிகை பாரு, மாட்டு பொங்கல் வந்தாலே ஜோறு. இது உழவனின் ஃப்ரெண்டு காண நாள், அத சூப்பரா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணி பாடு. கழுத்துல மணிய கட்டி, கொம்புல பூவ சுத்தி, ஓஹோ நெத்தியில் பொட்டு இட்டு, வணங்குவோம் கோமாதாவை தொட்டு, வணங்குவோம் கோமாதாவை தொட்டு,
வணங்குவோம் கோமாதாவை தொட்டு.
போகியும் பொங்கலும் முடிஞ்சாச்சு, காணும் பொங்கல் இப்போ வந்தாச்சு. காணும் பொங்கல் ஆன் த கோ.
வெயிட் பண்ணு காணும் பொங்கல் கொஞ்சம் எலாபரேட் பண்ணு.
மீட்டிங் அண்ட் கிரீட்டிங், தாத்தா பாட்டி ஆல் எக்ஸ்டெண்டட் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் ஒன்னா கூடி, அதாவது
உறவினர்களை காணுவோம், உல்லாசமாக பேசுவோம்.
From sisters to brothers, brimming with their wishes, going all the way to the family in riches and bridges.
ஜாலியா இருக்கும் போல இருக்கே.
Tata's variety rice and parties curries, eat together and create memories.
Wow, இதெல்லாம் நினைச்சு பார்க்கும்போது எவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கு.
The Pongal WhatsApp forwards we send all day is never equal to the
வாங்க வணக்கம் we hear all the way.
Gatherings have already become small. Do we want to shrink it with a video call?
So let's admire, respect and be proud of our rich culture. Let's upkeep our tradition and transcend it to the next generation.
Let the charm of these days persist forever.
நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
அங்க யார்கிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருந்த? நம்ம இங்க ஒரு ஷோ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்ல.
அட ஆமா, அங்க ஒருத்தர் பாரத விலாஸ் அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வழி கேட்டாரு, போய் தான் சொல்லிட்டு வந்தேன்.
Again she has hit the bullseye. இப்ப நம்ம இங்கேயும் ஒரு பாரத விலாஸ் ஸ்டைல் டான்ஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே, லாஸ்டா கண்ணுக்கு குளிர்ச்சியா ஆட்டம் பாட்டம் கொண்டாட்டத்தோட சசியோத்சவோட நம்ம கிளம்பலாம். ஓகே
ஓகே.
Celebration is an integral part of Indian culture, expressed through various art forms. Be it the raising of a child or cultivation of crops, rhythm is infused, cherished and celebrated. Students bring to you a feast to the ears and eyes by showcasing the dance forms from the various regions of our country.
Our culture, our traditions, and our language are the foundation upon which we build our identity. Our parambaryam is the very heart of our way of life. In today's modern world, with people migrating to every corner of the globe, it is crucial that each one of us make an effort to preserve our traditions and retain the cultural link to our homeland. We draw curtains down on day 4 with an earnest request that we all take pride in our tradition, try with all our might to protect, practice, and cherish our rich heritage, so that future generations may know of the glorious past of their forefathers. Don't forget to tune in to PSBB Vidya Shakti at 5:30 p.m. tomorrow for day 5 of Parambarya Thiruvira. This is Dunya Syed Hassan signing off.
கொண்டாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம்